To find the logged on user that's on the local computer, the first is you can use the whoami command here. The whoami command just simply returns only the username that is logged on here. And you can see that in my instance, I have logged on as a local user on my Mac Win VM local computer as the local administrator. If this were a domain, you would see the domain name slash whatever username that you have. You can also use getSimInstance. You can use getSimInstance by looking at the username property of the Win32 computer system class. And this has the exact same output as whoami. And if you really wanted the most efficient way, probably whoami is probably the most efficient because then you don't have to call to wmi. But if you do use getSimInstance or getWmiObject to grab the username, that way you can use WMI for local and for remote computers. So that's one advantage that WMI has. So this has been a quick snip on how to find the locally logged on user with PowerShell.